Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Guys, what is up with XRP? XRP just flipped Solana and is now the number 3 cryptocurrency on CoinMarketCap. Its market cap is staggering $150 billion. But why is this happening? Stick with me and I will explain everything you need to know about this epic rise. Not long ago, the phrase token not needed was tossed around for projects like XRP. People doubted the utility of these tokens, but now the story's different. XRP has found a killer use case with a new meme coin marketplace called First Ledger. And believe me, it is making waves. Since launching in November, First Ledger has started stealing the meme coin market share from Solana. The reason? You need XRP to access its meme coin ecosystem. That is right, move over pump fun. It is XRP's meme time now. The marketplace is both simple and exciting. To access First Ledger, head over to firstledger.net. Be careful with your searches. Fake sites can trick you into losing your funds, so stick to the official site. Once there, you will find an easy setup. Click on Wallet in the top right corner, which connects you to their Telegram wallet bot. With one click, you can create or import a wallet, deposit at least 10 XRP to activate it, and you are ready to trade. Transactions are not just fast, they are incredibly cheap. Fees are only 0.4015 XRP, or just $0.40396. Not even a fraction of a cent. And the Telegram bot is a charm. You can quickly check your positions to see gains or losses, position value, and market cap. It also shows your total wallet balance, active holding value, and net worth in XRP. It is smooth and perfect for keeping track of your trades. Now let us talk about why XRP is flying even higher. Two big rumors are driving the surge. First, legislation may eliminate capital gains taxes on cryptos issued by United States companies like XRP. Second, whispers about an XRP ETF are gaining steam. That would be a game changer. From ultra-low fees to a cheap meme coin marketplace, it is proving that XRP is a token we need now more than ever to start playing in the newest shitcoin casino on the market. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. And see you in the next one.